Boring bits are brought on when both the chisel is owning hassle smearing the material into the lip and needs to be re-outlined over the confront on the little bit. Or, the lip is rolling around and ought to be re-sharpened so that it pushes specifically into your do-the-job piece. You may get a PDF with the reserve sent to whichever electronic mail tackle you give. Also, you'll get entry to the multimedia improved on the internet version of your guide with online video instructionals in that same electronic mail. How do I obtain your video clips? Actually, there's no need to worry. With hand sharpening you merely take away a small amount of metal, and any issues are effortlessly fastened. Your knives are only likely to get sharper and improved. Guarantee. In order for you to learn how to far better sharpen your bit, you should know why you happen to be even doing this. Discover in both of these photos how little change you can find amongst the beginning and complete sharpening positions. Methods 5-7 are simultaneous measures to get you to that complete situation, but recognize how the only real hand that moves would be the remaining hand. The ideal hand stays stationary, with only the fingers guiding the drill bit. I'm definitely weary of every newsletter I enroll in ending up remaining nothing but infinite pitches for other products and solutions, so I made the Burr's Edge, in which you shell out a small every month price in trade for no adverts in the least, just super good material prepared by me and my dad, and you will cancel anytime you would like. Consider it form of like Netflix. What do I have to start out? Description: make sure your seam is on. Online video may possibly get as much as 10 seconds to load. Practical experience: the gratification of creating hair-splitting edges, which has a 100% gratification warranty. You might receive a PDF of the ebook dispatched to whichever email deal with you supply. Also, you'll get entry to the multimedia increased online variation of your book with movie instructionals in that very same email. How can I enter your films? The content on the website is intended for academic and informational uses only. The information is not intended to present healthcare tips, and, to the extent that healthcare tips is needed, customers ought to consult with qualified healthcare experts. Information and facts in textual content documents, interactive applications, messages or content on this website simply cannot substitute consultations with capable well-being care pros to satisfy your particular person healthcare wants. The lip is exactly what does the particular slicing. The two lips on the twist drill ought to be symmetric if an equal reducing will be to be carried out when drilling. The land, or landing, is what follows the lip and may help the sharp edge while the bit is reducing. The landing must be angled in such a way that it leaves clearance involving the part you are attempting to drill and the lip. I've only bothered responding to a few feedback on this thread, but more info. This one particular is just so accurate and funny. What you're declaring is totally correct. You might get a PDF from the book sent to whichever electronic mail deal with you deliver. Also, you'll get entry to the multimedia increased on the web variation in the ebook with video instructionals in that same electronic mail. You're planning to appreciate the sensation of accomplishment and self-accomplishment you're likely to get while using the art of hand sharpening.